Okay, now let's quickly solve this problem. So we are going to take int n, that's a c in n. So we are reading this n as input, which is number of vertices. Now for each vertex, the degree is given. So what we will do is let's read degree and let's find sum of those degrees. So s is to get the sum. So for int I0, I less than n, I plus plus. So we say sum plus is equal to some x, and this x we will be reading. So let me read this x also. So int x, c in x. So we are adding this to sum. Now in the end, if our sum that we are getting is equal to 2 times n minus 1, then we can print the answer as yes. So I'll print a string and I'll say this string will be if s is equal to 2 into n minus 1. So I can say 2 into n minus 1. In that case, I will say yes, otherwise I'll say no. So this is what we will do. So let's go and run it for sample test case and see what happens. So we see sample is passing. So let's submit this code and we'll see what the evaluation is. And we see that all tests are passing. Now keep one more thing in mind, and the thing is, ideally this question has a little bit of problem. So it is saying find if graph is tree or not. Ideally it should be whether there is a tree possible with this input, because ideally we can give an input. So imagine if I give you an input like this sum is 4 over here, right? So this is first vertex has degree of 1, second vertex has degree of 2, and third vertex has degree of 1. In this particular case, if you really see, this is the tree we are able to form. But essentially, it is not necessary that graph is this. I can also have a graph. Imagine 1 and 3 are connected like this, and 2 is having a self edge. In that case, also this holds true because 1 has a degree of 1. Ideally, if you see, 3 also has a degree of 1, and here 2 has a degree of 2 because 2 has one edge going from here, one edge going from here. So there are two edges incident on 2. So in this particular case also, if you see that the sum eventually happens to be 4, but this graph is not a tree. So ideally the answer we should be giving is there is a possibility, is there a possibility to have a tree with these in degrees? And that answer is yes. So that is how the problem should have been framed over here.